In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select accounts, and as you can see currently I'm logged in with my Google account, so if you want to remove the account just click on it and then select remove account. Confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its messages, contacts and any other data by tapping on remove account. Click on OK to confirm, draw your unlock pattern or provide fingerprint, whatever you prefer. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed. There is no account connected with this device. And then whenever you would like to add another Google account, all you need to do is to tap on accounts again, click on add account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and go with Google. And now provide your email address or phone number and click on next then. Now it is time to enter the password, so just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And as you can see here, you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Tap on More, Accept. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added so you can smoothly use it. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.